Hello, this is Mr. Huff, and I just wanted to talk about residential concrete estimation. There's a lot that goes into this. We're just going to focus on one part of that, just the volume of concrete. But you also need to recognize that there is also rebar in a foundation. So you can see it has rebar or the foundation wall, okay, and also in the footing. So you have in the wall every 4 feet you have a piece of rebar that goes from the bottom to the top, and then through your spread footing you have two continuous rows that go completely around the foundation in the footing. And there can also be spread footings, like in this floor plan here. There's some spread footings here where you need to have some additional support for these the floors in this space. So, and then it talks about garage floors. We're not going to worry about that. Really, what I want to focus on is not counting up the rebar, but finding out how much concrete you would need to have on hand to make this foundation wall and the footing of that wall. So let's talk about that calculation a little bit. And I need to go here. Okay, so this little diagram kind of represents the wall of the structure and the floor of the structure, and then our foundation wall, and then our footing for that wall. And this could be the floor plan itself. So this would be kind of like the floor plan. So one of the things you need to get from the floor plan is the perimeter of wall around that floor plan. So you would just find, the links here, here, and then here, and then here, and then here, and then add all those up to get your perimeter in feet. And then you need to know the area of the wall, this cross-sectional area here, and this cross-sectional area here. So let's say that this cross-section is 1 foot wide and 4 foot tall, so that is a total area of 4 square feet. And this spread footing is, it's usually twice the width of the wall, so it's going to be 2 foot wide. And let's just, for the sake of making this easy, it's 1 foot tall, so 2 times 1, we get a square footage of 2 feet. So we have 4 feet and 4 square feet and 2 square feet, so that's a total of 6 square feet of this area. And then you can treat it like an odd shaped prism where you know the perimeter of the wall and the area of the cross section, so you multiply the cross sectional area times the perimeter and you get the total volume in cubic feet. So let's do that. So we said that our wall was 4 square feet and our footing is 2 square feet, so that gives us a total of 6 square feet. Let's say that we found the perimeter around this building to be 145 feet, and that gives us 870 cubic feet. So we're going to take that 870 and divide it by 27, and this is how many cubic feet are in a cubic yard, and that gives us 32.22 cubic yards. So in the calculations, I want you to do exact numbers. If you were ordering this, you would have to round to 33 feet. But for the purposes of our calculations, go to the 4 significant figures that we always use. All right. So that's a real quick run through of how to calculate the volume of the footing and foundation wall. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.